What's up guys, it's Jazzy here, and today I'm going to be making an Easter basket for my niece. I've been making an Easter basket for her for a few years now, and this year I do not want to disappoint. So these are all my supplies. I got Goldfish crisps, some gummy bears, Sour Patch Kids jelly beans, got some cute little bunny glasses, we got lollipop rings, and so much more that I'm going to show y'all. All my supplies are from Dollar Tree. Let's start with filling our eggs with our goodies. First, we're going to fill this little alien thingy thing with these candy bracelets. Next, we're going to be filling one of these eggs with our Sour Patch Kids jelly beans. Next, we're going to be filling these pink eggs. I haven't seen these. This is my first year seeing them. They're so cute. Look at them. Oh my gosh, little big pink bunnies. We got some of these bigger chocolate eggs. We're just going to be putting these in. Okay. Next one, we're going to be filling with these Peeps lollipop rings. Oh, they're kind of big. We're gonna make it work though. Okay, yes. There you go. Now that I have all my eggs filled, it's time to fill up my basket with everything that we have. First, I'm gonna put this little book, I Am Resilient, Mindful. Put that right there. We got these chocolatey covered marshmallow bunnies. We'll put that right there. We also got this little horse play set thingy thing. I know she's gonna like it, she got a lot to it. Next, we're gonna fill it with these. We're gonna put these in the front, and the gummy bears. And then we're gonna fill our stuff with our eggs. Ooh, this is a nice full basket. As you can see, there's goodies all around. Now let's try to cover it. Let's put some tape on this basket to hold it together. Alright, we got this sassy rhinestone patch. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue so I can stick it to the front of the basket. Now we have our stickers on. Now let's put our bunny headband. Guys, this is so cute. How cute is this? The bunny headband just did it for me, honey. I know my niece is gonna love that. Well, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and remember to always stay tuned to this channel. Jazzy the Great, period.